In today's video, we're gonna be talking about 3 different websites where you can get paid to chat with strangers. And so if you're thinking to yourself, Kevin, how do I get paid chatting to strangers? You know, my parents always told me not to talk to strangers. Well, first of all, it's okay to talk to strangers as long as you are safe behind your computer, like many keyboard warriors out there that love to spam nasty and mean comments on my own YouTube channel and plenty of others, right? Because in the wild world of the anonymous internet, we are all safely protected behind our screen and living in our mommy's basement. So in today's video, what we're gonna be talking about is how you can earn $400 or more per week simply to talk to strangers via your keyboard. And so let's jump right in. The first website that we are going to be reviewing today is called SiteStaff. And SiteStaff was actually founded in Colorado back in 2011. And so basically what SiteStaff actually does is they provide businesses with chat software, right? They provide chat agents that help manage their software. And you know, you can actually become one of those chat agents. So right now, you know, they're hiring primarily remotely in the United States, but it's unclear if they're going to start hiring in other countries as well, which is why we have this one at number 3. SiteStaff is a relatively good way to actually start earning $10 per hour simply for chat only position. And so if you can type, you know, up to 60 words per minute and you're pretty good with grammar and spelling and things like that, then go ahead and go apply to sitestaff.com where you can earn, you know, $10 per hour literally just to chat with strangers. And the cool part is, you know, you can do this while you're doing other, you know, side hustles. So you can, you know, start earning $10 an hour and then, you know, make $15 an hour, $20 an hour by doing other things at the same time as actually focusing on SiteStaff. The number 2 best way to start making money just with chatting with strangers is actually being a rep for a company that probably many of us have actually heard of, right? So if you love Apple and Apple products, then maybe being an at-home advisor for Apple is the right choice for you. Because if you're an Apple fanboy like I am, who has an Apple phone and an Apple computer and a second Apple computer, right? All and an Apple TVs and everything Apple makes, right? Then maybe becoming what's called an at-home advisor would be right for you, because if you already know a lot about Apple products, then it's the perfect way to kind of start earning some side income to save up to actually start, you know, a more scalable form of online passive income. And basically what Apple at-home advisor actually is you become a person support is what they call it, right? It's not technical support, you're actually supporting people. So you basically help people with their issues with Apple products. So if you've ever actually been on, you know, a customer chat with Apple, for example, you'd actually be the one supporting that customer chat. And the cool thing about Apple at-home advisor is you can actually make significantly more than $10 an hour, like we talked about in our first option, which was SiteStaff, right? Apple at-home advisors actually can make anywhere from $15 to even up to $23 per hour just to answer chats. And they do actually also advise that you do have a telephone that you can actually do telephone support for. But from what I understand, most of the support that you'd actually be doing is via chat. And the cool part is you actually have other coworkers and a full network of other Apple at-home advisors that you can ask questions to and get support from if there are questions that do come in that you don't actually know the answers to. And as far as requirements when it comes to becoming an Apple at-home advisor, all the actual requirements that they have are that you have to speak English and you have to have a pretty good understanding and know your way around Apple products like I think many of us do. Number 1 way to make money chatting online with strangers, we will actually get to in just 1 second, but I do want to give a shout out to my favorite comment from last video, which is actually from Heart of House Mid Tempo. Who needs a degree when you got Kevin? So thank you for that, Heart of House. And if you want to be our next comment winner and get featured on our next video and get a shout out just like that, all you have to do is click the like button you see on your screen right now to show some love, and then tap on the subscribe button and make sure you turn on notification bells so that you can join the notification squad, because we usually choose our comment winners from the people that comment within the first minute or so, and those are the people who are always in the notification family. So number 1, guys, the best way to actually make money chatting with strangers is with a website called Weebly.com. And basically what Weebly.com is a way that you can actually create easy to make online e e-commerce stores and things like that. And so what Weebly actually wants is self-motivated people, right? Self-motivated individuals with kind of strong communication skills to help chat and provide customer service for their particular company, right? And so Weebly is actually based out of Silicon Valley, out of San Francisco, but they're hiring people from all over the US. And so if you're in the US, you can apply. And the cool thing is you can get paid anywhere from $17 to $18 an hour, but they do require at least 20 hours of work per week, right? But that is close to $400 per week working part-time from home, just chatting with everyday people and customers via your computer. And the best part is, guys, there's so many different ways to start earning passive income. You just have to start. So if you're looking for more ways to earn some passive income, check out this video right here where we talk about the top 5 ways to start earning passive income today. And I promise you, number 1 in this video is going to shock you. So check out the video right here about how to make more passive income, and we'll see you there. What is up, ninjas? Welcome back to another exciting video. In this video, we're gonna be breaking down the 5 best ways to start earning passive